Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into eBay for AI listing auto optimization, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.ebay.com and press enter. Wait for the eBay homepage to load completely. Look for the sign in button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, type your password in the password field. Before continuing, ensure that your email address and password are correct. If you wish to stay signed in on this device, check the box for Keep Me Signed In. Now, click the Sign In button to access your account. Once logged in, you will be taken to your eBay account homepage. At this point, navigate to the Seller Hub by clicking on My eBay at the top right corner. In the drop-down menu, select Selling. You are now in the Seller Hub, where you can manage your listings. To optimize your listings with AI, look for the Listing tool. Click on Listings to view or create new listings. You can either edit an existing listing or create a new one. For new listings, click the Create Listing button. Fill in the required details about the item you wish to sell. Be sure to provide accurate descriptions and relevant keywords. To enable AI auto-optimization, search for the integration options available. Select the AI optimization tool that meets your needs. Follow the prompts to link the tool with your eBay account. Ensure that you review the AI suggestions for your listings. Make any adjustments if necessary before finalizing your changes. Once satisfied, click on the Save or Publish button to update your listings. You have now successfully logged into eBay and set up AI listing auto-optimization. Congratulations on taking your first steps toward enhancing your eBay selling experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.